Back in January 2022, I bought the Ikea Trotten sit-stand desk. So it's been more than 12 months. So let's see how it's standing up to 12 months of use, or sitting down for 12 months of use. Anyway, roll the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT, Excellent Tech. It's been such a long time. So yes, 12 months ago, I bought, well, back in January 2022, so a year and 3 months ago now, because we're in March, I bought the Ikea Trotten sit-stand desk. And I've been using it every day while I've been working from home, 37 hours a week, working on my works crap top and my new monitor that I got here. But how is it standing up after 12 months use? Well, 13, 12, 31, 15 months use, sorry, because we're in March now. So if you haven't watched the video of me building this, click in the top right hand banner up by there, or click in the video description link below. And also, if you're new to my channel and you like some of my other videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thanks very much. So I had several comments on my video of building this desk saying, you didn't even show us how it cranks up and the maximum height. And well, I did give some information, but true, I didn't show you the cranking of the handle, which by the way is by there. I've put it on the left hand side because it's easier to crank when I'm using the mouse, for example, when I'm working. So in this video, I'm going to show you how quick or how slow this desk cranks up and down. I'll give you some more stats about this desk. So it's the Ikea Trotten sit-stand desk with the white leg frame and a beige top. Currently in Ikea, ikea.com GB, it is £195 for the 1.20 m by 70 desk top, but you can also get in white for slightly cheaper. I think it was £175 when I last checked. But you can get different color tops, you can get different lengths tops and different depth tops as well. I think you can get 160 wide by 80 deep, which is 10 centimeters deeper than this one. But I couldn't have that because the width, should I say, would be too wide for my use. So it would overhang both sides and I wouldn't be able to use my little unit by there to keep my Google Home, fake plant and my personal laptop on a laptop arm. So in this video, yes, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration or a slow demonstration of how this desk cranks. So a couple of the comments ask some questions, but you can always find the information on the IKEA website. So this can take up to 70 kilos spread evenly across the top. This desktop particularly is made out of particle board, which some people call chipboard, with a foil top and a plastic edging. It does rock a little bit, but take into consideration that I've got it on a rug, on carpet, and it's probably got underlay underneath the carpet, so I wouldn't say it wobbles too much, to be honest. So the handle, as I mentioned a few moments ago, I've got it on the left hand side. I've currently got it at 72 centimeters high because that's a perfect height for me, with my arms, my torso and my legs sitting comfortably underneath the desks. I have counted this as well. It takes 110 turns to take it from bottom up to maximum. So that is going down. It might hit my unit by there though. Yeah, it's hitting my unit. Right, so let's, can you hear it cranking? It's quite quiet. It is wobbling slightly as you're cranking it up, but that's to be expected. I'm not going to play any music because some people have complained of music in my videos before as well. So apologies about that. It does squeak sometimes, but only if you pull the handle out. It tends to squeak. But so if you push the handle in, you can go as quick or as slow as you want. I don't know if you can see the monitor slightly wobbling up there, or my squash wobbling as you're cranking it up. So the minimum height on this, I think, was 70 centimeters. I have it at 72. The maximum is 1.20 m. See, it's just slightly going out of shot now. So I think we're nearly there. I'm gonna have to adjust my camera a minute once I get up to maximum. But I don't know if you can see underneath, but there's the Signum cable tray underneath there. That was easy to put in, so keeping your laptop brick and your monitor brick if you got one. Oh, there we go, that's maximum. Right, let's adjust you. So just measured it now, it's 1 meter 20.5. So 1 meter 20, 1 meter 20 and a half centimeters tall, which I think can be a little bit too tall for some people. I'm not sure. I'm 6'1" on a good day if I've got thick heeled trainers on, for example. Not high heels, I don't wear them. But yeah, as you can see, it's tiny little bit of wobble. But as I said though, I've got on a rug, on carpet, and on underlay. Now it does have adjustable feet on the bottom, and I have undone the front feet a little bit so it kind of tilts the desk back, because you don't particularly want to have the back feet tilted up because the desk could fall forward. Where I've got it here in the bay windows in my home, obviously if the desk were to fall, it would more than likely fall backwards. But I wouldn't say that's a huge amount of wobble, would you? I don't know if you can see my my squash bar there. Let's wait for it to steady. But then if you're typing away, you know, it's not going to be that bad, is it really? So, you know, it doesn't wobble that much. I tend not to use the stand-up feature in the winter time because in here it gets cold. But in the summertime last year when we had the heat wave in the UK, boy was it hot up here. It was touching 29, 30 degrees Celsius in here, but thankfully I've got aircon. So in the summertime, yes, I was wearing my shorts and a t-shirt or a vest, and I was standing up so I could get some air around my legs, should we say, around the man parts. But yeah, so back to the desk anyway, enough about my body. So this is very easy to crank up. I'm going to crank it back down now. So it's clockwise to crank it back down. And I mentioned before, it's 110 cranks from lowest to highest position. It does make a little bit of a noise. Somebody put in the comments as well, does it sag? No, because if you watch the build video, which you can click in the top right hand banner or click in the video description down below, it's got like an eye frame underneath it. You've got arm, and a big thick bar that goes across the middle, and that really gives it support in the middle. If you're wondering about the monitor, that's a Samsung G5 on a Duronic monitor arm. The laptop is also on a Duronic monitor arm, and my personal laptop, just out of frame, is on a Duronic monitor arm as well. My main editing desk, they've also got Duronic monitor arms in silver. So I have to adjust the camera again now, because otherwise you're just gonna see the top of my head. So there we go, we're back down to ground level now. So all you gotta do is just push the arm back in, feel for the little clips, push it up, and I believe we're roughly back to normal height now. I'm gonna have to tape measure it because I got a specific angle for me when I'm working, specific height should I say, for when I'm working. It's very easy to clean. Top tip is trying to go for light colours with your furniture, because if you go for dark colours, black for example, then the amount of dust that shows up on it, you probably find out from your games console if you've got an Xbox or a black PC case, for example. You're always cleaning it, so go for light colours, light colour accessories, so you can just easily wipe the dust off for starters, and two, because the dust doesn't show. So this has just been my quick follow-up video for the Trotten, Ikea Trotten sit-stand desk in white, with a base top 120 centimeters by 70 centimeters, with a height adjustable from 70 centimeters up to 1.25 centimeters. I'll pop the inches for you American friends at the bottom there. So if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. If not, then hit that thumbs down button twice. Thanks very much. If you haven't done so already, then please hit the subscribe button down below. I've got a couple of questions for you as well. Would you lot be interested in watching a video about building your own solar system? I have built my own solar system. Currently my light is working off battery power, solar power, and so is all this, and the Google is currently running off solar power as well. If you're interested, drop a comment below. And what else would you like to see on my channel? I'm trying to start my channel back up again after an absence of around about a year. My last video was back in May 2022, I believe it was. So I'm sorry for all you people who've missed my face on this channel. Anyway, that's enough for me. I'm just rambling now. Thanks very much for watching once again. I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It's been more than 12 months, so how is it standing up, or sitting down, or standing up? So a couple of the